Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for joining me. I already got a lure out trolling as I'm making my way to the spot, but today gonna be looking for redfish. Been itching to catch a red. It's been a hot minute, so gonna try and do that today. Shout out to Ramsey. Did a little over under, see how many fish I'm gonna catch today. He says I'm gonna catch 2 decent reds and some trout. I'm thinking just 1 good red. So took the under, he's on the over. There's really no bet, but shout out to him. Hit him up, told him I was coming out here, and you know, appreciate the support, man. So today gonna be throwing some Gulp. I actually found this. I did not buy it, and that's why I'm using it. But we're gonna give it a shot. It's the shrimp in new penny color with the chartreuse tail. So we'll come up here, we'll throw that around and see if the redfish want that. But let's get going. There he is. Heck yeah. Oh yeah, little fella. He was in there. All right. Let's bring him in. I think it's a catfish. I thought it was a redfish. Damn catfish. That's what I get for using Gulp, man. Dang it. Let's pop this sucker off and be on our way. Golly, get out of here. There he is. The same catfish probably. No way, dude. If I hook one more catfish, I'm definitely gonna switch out to a paddle tail. There he is. Heck yeah. Come here, buddy. Whew, man. He caught that on the swim. Oh, he's wrapped up. Let me. Oh, no. Technical difficulties. Here we go. Oh, yes. Heck yeah. I started to swim that versus bouncing it because there was oh. Hey, y'all check them out here. Heck yeah. See if I can get a quick photo. Probably not the best, but we'll get one with the camera. Here, I'll check them out. Heck yeah, that is a nice one. Let's let them go. Should I measure them? Give them a quick measure and let them go. Oh, there we go, it came out. Let's give him a quick measure. Just, I think he's at 17 and a half. Real quick. Oh, He was looking close to 17, I think. Let's see, I think the school's still in here. I'm throwing a retrieve to cover some water. I do want to bounce the lure, but it's not working out in some of these areas because of the way this grass grows up. I already see a clump floating there. There he is. A little red. Man, never seen a red. Oh, didn't need the net for him, but heck yeah, found him. Or at least another one. Check this little fella out. Did a mean hook set on this guy. Come on, buddy. My bad. Sorry, dude. Let's see here. There we go. Popped it out. Check out this little guy. Heck yeah, thanks, dude. Sorry about your eye, buddy. There he is. Heck yeah. A bass. Oh, there you go. Come here, buddy. Hang. Oh, it's a bass out here. Wasn't expecting that. Oh, here we go. Thanks, buddy. Cool. There's something. There's something. There he is. This is, oh snap. Oh man, that was a giant croaker. I was trying to stay away from the rocks, but that was a jumbo croaker, y'all. There he is. Heck yeah. Yeah, little redfish. Man, this one's pretty too. I don't need the net, y'all. I can, but it makes it easier. Yeah, got him. Yeah, heck yeah. Y'all check this dude out right here at the edge. He came up and smoked it. There we go. Actually came up and sniffed it. Here he is. I got him nice below. Wow, dude, such a pretty fish. Look at him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this side. Man, look at the pattern on this. What a beautiful fish. Thanks, buddy. Yeah. All right, y'all, that's gonna wrap it up. Not a bad day. I'll give it to my buddy. Definitely was over. Caught 3 redfish and 1 bass. Didn't find any trout, but that's all right. Managed to find those reds because that's what I was looking for. So appreciate y'all tuning in and watching the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment. If you're not subscribed to the channel, check out my other videos and consider subscribing. I'll catch y'all next time.